got out of District 1 today. We're going a bit southwest to Cholon. There's a lot of history there. I'm not going to explain the history because I've learned it very fast, but very historic city. Used to be one of the biggest cities of the town, I believe, of Ho Chi Minh. And a lot of different types of people have sort of run this area. Now it's the Chinatown of Ho Chi Minh. That's what I believe. So we've caught a bus from District 1. There's 3 options: number 1, number 56, and number 139. We caught the number 56. It was 7,000 dong for a ticket. And on Google said it was going to take like 35 minutes. It took half that, 15 minutes. Very easy. Air conditioning on the bus, very nice. So we're here at this temple. I'll put the name of the temple on the screen. Very beautiful. All the details on the side of the walls. Got cliffs, tree, a temple or a house on the cliff. So much details, yeah, very, very cool. Got like an R. Bambi, deers. Very cool. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to explore the town of Cholon. Right, very cool temple. I don't know, maybe it's the first time I've been into a temple like this, but all the details are very cool. There's a lot of people in there getting tours. Maybe they're getting a tour of Cholon or tour of just the temple, but all the stories, maybe with the carvings on the roofs, might be interesting to learn. So you can do that. Now I think we're going to try to find a drink and maybe some food, so let's do that. to the market. Still walking, it's about a kilometre further away. We're going to catch the bus, another 7,000 dong. Air conditioning, it's nice. We carry 150, bus number 150. Nice area, but a few things to see, but we're going to try to check out this market now. Very hot. Oh my gosh. Very traditional market. There's a few touristy stuff here. Some gardens. So hot though. Oh. Get some sugar cane juice. See how much it is. Alright, I got some sugar cane juice, my favorite juice when I last came to Vietnam. Look how big it is, it's bigger than my head. 10,000 dong. Oh, it's beautiful, it's refreshing, it doesn't make you more thirsty, it makes you happy. I love this juice. So we're here on a Sunday 1 o'clock, so I'm not sure if it's peak time to come on a weekend or on a Sunday. I saw a lot of restaurants that I wanted to try see. A lot of them are closed or open late, so I'm not sure about Sundays here. There's still enough shops open to get a good idea of it. Maybe it's just quiet, maybe it's not good business right now, but yeah, but it's good little history. If you've been to markets before, maybe you don't need to worry about this one, but if you're first time in an Asian market coming to Vietnam, it's not too far from downtown to here. 20 minutes, 30 minutes on the bus, air conditioned, less than 10,000 dong for one way. The ticket, or you can just catch a grab as well. The juice is delicious. There is some food around. Yeah, so beautiful clock tower. So there's a lot of nice stuff to see, but if you're an expert on markets, I wouldn't push you to come to this one. But yeah, this is Cholon. So come and check out this area.